Now that I've added a couple of more vans to the fleet, I'm up in here shopping because this is a great spot called Advanced Work Vans. They offer the shelves and shelving. They also have a relationship with Enterprise where they can actually set this all up in the van when you get it. So you never know.
Again, what you're trying to run too.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, with coming off of COVID, you know, they had to make some space, I see. But I like this little bit here with this, with the drawers and the shelves. I like that. And then of course we need this for our refrigeration. So the AC guys, this is them all day. Great setup. Good people too. And then we got these other shelves here. And the thing I like about it is they got the rolling racks. So as you switch from truck to truck, you can pull them. When we switch out our trucks, with Enterprise, we can just switch out the racks we have. Y'all better get with the program. I like these ladder racks too. Yep. Yep, they got some stuff for the trucks too. The 2 boxes for the trucks. So, like I say, stay up on game. Don't let game stay up on you. Always be improving, always advancing, always developing relationships. Because you never know who you can broker that deal with. You don't know till you ask. Have a great day. Miss Ward signing off. Solid steppers. Like these partitions over here too. Different styles of partitions that they have.